So when you first open Wristruments, you will see a screen prompting you to turn the app to the inside of your wrist before continuing. This is the world's only smartwatch app that's designed to be used on the inside of your wrist and uses a different screen orientation than any app in existence right now.
Welcome to Wristruments. You're about to experience a revolutionary way to learn that's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Its intuitive interface lines up with your actual guitar to make learning more fun, easy, and convenient than ever before.
I don't want to make this video 15 minutes long, so that's the intro. You will see 3 sections when you get to the main screen: learn, practice, and play. So in learn section, we have 3 lessons so far that are designed to help teach you how to use the Wristruments interface if you have never played before. So when you click on a lesson, you will swipe over to select a module. What this allows is for dynamic lesson creation. We can pick the little pieces of content that you may need to improve on, that you may not know, that could be holding you back from expanding your playing, and really make learning as simple and easy as possible. That's learn section. Practice section, this is what's really cool. Probably my favorite feature is the practice lead guitar feature. Practice lead mode, that's really what I want to show you guys, because if you don't understand how this works, you're not going to get the full benefit. So it's really important that you watch this and try it until you feel that feeling inside that you're like, whoa. It basically unlocks some hidden knowledge that really is within anyone. So you select practice mode, you select lead guitar, and then you're going to see a screen that allows you to select a style of music. So let's see, I'm going to just go with blues. It seems to be a popular choice. So once you select your style, you're going to see a list of backing tracks, and each backing track is going to have a scale that's associated with it. So we have, starting at the top, Rocky Blues is the name of the track, and that is an A key blues scale. So this is a pattern within scales that a lot of people like to focus on just because these notes sound particularly good together. So when you click the song, you're going to see your fretboard. The backing track is going to start playing. You can scroll over right now to get to different points on your fretboard. You will see the fret markers on the fretboard, so you can hit any of these notes in any order to play the scale. It's designed to just hit one note at a time in sync with the song, and you're going to get that instant gratification. You're going to be playing right with the band, right? So 3, 5, 7, 9. Higher up the fretboard from 7 to 12 now. You can kind of see how it works. Like I said, this is a right-handed guitar. I'm playing it upside down as a lefty, not something that I do often. But because of the way the app works, literally, the interface of the app has each string just like your fretboard, and it scrolls so that you can play the whole fretboard. It shows you little fret markers, these little red dots here, basically line up with the different frets on the different strings and show you exactly what to play so that it always sounds good and that you don't get discouraged or think that you can't do something that really is so easy. After practice lead mode, you can go to play mode, and play mode's where you have songs that will show you actually how to play the song with the lyrics color-coded on when the chord changes, so you can play along with the song and sing while you play, which is something that, I always found really difficult to do. Number one, because I just hated singing. I didn't hate singing, that's an easy excuse, easy way out. I was uncomfortable singing in front of people, so I never practiced it, so I told myself I hated it. And it was just hard. It was just added another layer of something to learn and memorize before you were able to do it. And if you don't sound good, of course you're not going to want to sing and play guitar in front of people. But that's why we're here to change it. Anyways, please check out the app. If you don't have the link to download and get in on the beta group, you still have time. Just sign up on Wristruments.com or respond to this email and we will get you hooked up.